Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and forward-thinking AI video generators out there, Vidu.com. Whether you're into filmmaking, content creation, digital storytelling, or just curious about the magic of AI, and Vidu has just had a big update with a new model, Vidu Q1. This tool is going to blow your mind. Once you're inside the Vidu dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is how sleek and modern the interface is. It's clean, intuitive, and totally frictionless. No hunting through endless menus. Let's check out the image-to-video feature. We'll start with just one image. Add your prompt, set the style and motion settings, and hit Generate. The outcome? Still stunning. The animation feels nuanced and expressive, almost like it's reading between the lines of your idea. Now, let's try it with two images, one for the start and one for the end. Add a prompt, and Vidu fills in the motion in between. It's perfect for product reveals, concept art, or experimental visuals. The transitions it creates are shockingly natural. It honestly feels like you've got a pro animator working behind the scenes. Now, onto the text-to-video feature. Tailor-made for beginners, content creators on the go, or anyone who wants to get ideas moving fast. Just type your concept, pick a style, adjust your settings, and let Vidu handle the rest. The results are next level. From a single sentence, you get a fully animated scene. Even the shot composition, it all feels intentional and polished. If you've got a vision, this tool brings it to life in minutes. Another amazing addition? Artificially generated sound effects. Just type something like wind blowing softly or robot footsteps, and Vidu creates custom audio for your scene. You can layer sounds, adjust timing, and craft a full soundscape, all without leaving the platform. It's a total lifesaver for solo creators or anyone working on tight deadlines. Let's check out the reference to video feature. If you're aiming for character consistency, this is a total game changer. Upload a few reference images, different poses, angles, or expressions, add your prompt, then dial in your settings, duration, resolution, camera moves, aspect ratio. Hit create and let the AI do its thing. And the result? Genuinely impressive. The character remains consistent throughout the sequence, with buttery smooth transitions and cinematic framing that looks like it came straight out of a high-end studio. And if you're looking to jump in quickly, Vidu offers ready-made templates you can customize in seconds. Pick a template, swap in your images or prompts, adjust the vibe, and just like that, you've got a polished, professional-looking video ready to go. All in all, Vidu is an absolute powerhouse, packed with smart features, super user-friendly, and brimming with creative potential. Whether you're building a brand, telling a story, or just exploring what's possible with AI video, this tool makes it incredibly fast and a lot of fun. If you're enjoying the ride here on AI Finder, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest discoveries. Try out Vidu and let us know what you create in the comments. We'd love to see your work. Catch you in the next one.